Eveline's UV Light Sanitizer Travel Wand, portable UV light mini sanitizer disinfection lamp without chemicals. Hotel, household, wardrobe, toilet, car, pet area, kids' toys, germ-killing function. Ultraviolet sterilization up to 99.99%. According to the approved laboratory research, the ultraviolet disinfection stick can kill 99.99% of germ. It can be used in mobile phones, iPad, keyboards, toys, toothbrushes, toilets, and pet areas to achieve all-round anti-germ. The ultraviolet disinfection lamp destroys the molecular structure of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid in bacterial viruses through ultraviolet rays with a wavelength in the range of 260-280 nm. Effective and quick disinfection lamp. UV Germicidal, by experts designed, professionally helps solve the problem of disinfection in your life. The designed no chemical residue in ultraviolet irradiation will not damage any materials. Simply sweep the UV disinfection stick across the surface. 10 seconds. Reach 99.99% rate sterilization. Easy to use and safety. Charging via USB cable. This UV sanitizer germicidal lamp can be sterilized by simply pressing the switch button. Experts designed the newest models that take it out anywhere conveniently as well as keep safe. Please discard the old models because they cannot be charged, which often causes the battery to run out or need to be replaced. Easy to carry, compact size, 239x48x40mm, 9.4x 1.9x 1.6 in. Charging by USB power, it's easy to carry and put in your handbag to take less space. It is suitable not only for home use, but also for business trips. Whether at home or on a trip, it makes sure that you live in a clean and safe environment to keep away from germs. Warning tip: please don't use this ultraviolet disinfection lamp on people's eyes and skin. Provide excellent friendly after-sales service. If you have any problems with your order, click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.